We'll now have the PVC team giving a position paper. May I invite the PwC's team to present their position paper. Yeah, welcome on this.
Good morning, everyone. It's my privilege to be here in Mumbai with all the industry leaders who is shaping this industry. All the CEOs, all the CXOs, the regulators, and all my colleagues across this industry, I welcome you and thank you for inviting us so that we can present our thought. So first, introduce ourselves. So we are the team at PwC who work with global clients, global insurance industry. We work with their large data implementation projects, and we support them for their data insurance journey. So we have seen the industry, what the problems are, and how they are changing it. So from that experience, we have penned down this paper, like how the industry is changing, how the thought process is changing. So insurance at its core is a decision business. Who to protect, at what price, how to manage the claims, how to handle the capitals. But the problem is, our core is designed as transaction engines only, not as decision platforms. So today is the time to reimagine that core so that we can have better and faster decisions and fairer decisions with the governance built in, not bolted in. So in next couple of minutes, I will show you what the problem is and how the architecture can fix it, and how the real world, we can see the scenarios, and how we can implement it in a short time span. So reimagining the core of insurance is not just about another system swap, it's about how we can change our thought process, how we can shift from the systems to the decisions. And you will see this will improve the business impacts also, and also the regulatory confidence. So let's start with the pain point. Insurance does not fail from lack of effort. It fails from fragmentation. So if you see the customer, Polly, who has to repeat the information multiple times across multiple channels. And also you see the claim adjuster, the employee, Mike. He has to juggle with all the siloed data, and he has to hunt for the single missing fact while he is doing the claims. And Sarah, the underwriter, she cannot see the single risk picture while she is doing the underwriting. So this is a big gap while taking the decisions. So behind each delay, there is siloed data, brittle rules, and manual workarounds. And the reason is we have designed ourselves as the transaction recording system, not as decision makers, and how to make a better decision and how to improve it. So we can do a strategic shift from here, from the systems to the decisions. So we have to treat each decision as products with a clear data, logic, and ownership. And we can use GenAI also in this system. So what AI will do here? AI will do what it is good at. It will summarize the information. It will flag the risks. It will guide us for our next best action, and it will escalate all the red flags. And it will also include the humans in the loop for the judgment and accountability. And the outcome we will see, it will be very tangible. So it will help us having the faster underwriting, smarter claims, better pricing, and stronger compliance, and more customers' trust. Because now every recommendation is explainable, traceable, and governed. So how can we build it? The solution is a connected decision ecosystem. So we have 3 integrated layers here. So first is the smart core system. So the smart core system connects all the policy, claims, billing, servicing, so the decision can flow through the business. And the next layer is the data mesh. So data mesh will turn the scattered data into a trusted and reusable product. Now the customer, risk, claims, this will arrive as events only, not as monthly batch of data. And the third is the decision framework. So the decision framework will orchestrate all the rules, AI, and also the human in the loop, so that there are several guardrails and audit trails in our decisions. So in India, this digital public infrastructure and consent-based data make this more feasible, and when paired with several strong controls. So my experience from the global projects, I can see the global insurance companies are overhauling their legacy systems. They are trying to create a core platform, and they are shifting from that monolithic on-premise architecture to the cloud-native systems. So this allows them to integrate the agentic AI and enable the straight-through processing and launch customized products in weeks rather than months. So as the previous speaker said, Mr. Swaminathan said that we need the awareness, we need to have the affordability, availability, and all those things. So as long as we don't have the smart core here in our systems, we will not get the time to be there, to make this decision better, and to be on that point where we can do this pull-out products that the customer need. So from here, next we will show what are some real-world scenarios and how we can deliver this to the world. So my colleague Priyanka now will present some real-world scenarios and how we can implement it.
Hello, hi everyone. So now we are going to officially launch the paper.
Hello, yeah. We are going to launch that position paper. So may I request Shri Iyer, Ms. Girija Subramanian, on the dais, please. Mr. Praveen Vashishta, our DG Sandeep Khosla, Dr. Dadia, and Mr. Ravi Shetty on the dais. Ravi Reddy. Yeah, Ravi Reddy. Thank you. There's a QR code, as you can see, those people who want to scan for the full paper. Yeah, we can have the team also for the group photograph.
We can ask the team also.
And on behalf of Bombay Chambers, may I thank Amit, PwC, your entire team. This is the fourth position paper that you're releasing in the fourth consecutive year. Thank you very much. Gratefully acknowledged. The papers have always been very incisive.
This is actually about the global market also. So I think
So we request everyone to scan the QR code here to view our complete paper. So we have just seen the architecture behind our connected decision ecosystem, but architecture alone doesn't create value. The real question is, what problem are we trying to solve? And if we take a step back for a moment, most of us have probably seen the same challenges play out across different organizations. So we all have the information that we would need. We know what we need. We have all the people, and the expertise also exists. But here, what we are struggling with is turning that information to decision. Let's think about one typical day wherein a customer wants to submit their claim and someone is trying to understand it and another person is trying to gather the evidences, someone is reviewing a submission and the customer is waiting for an answer. So nobody is struggling because they don't have the information. They're struggling because they are unable to gather all the information at one place. So we are trying to create that unified data system so that our cost per decision can be reduced and our accuracy can be improved. Overall, our target is to reduce the decision time taken and also make the confident decisions. And because we are using Gen AI and also with a responsible Gen AI, we can always back up our decisions. Like usually customers struggle with unable to find the reasons why their claim is not processed or where they're stuck. So with an explainable reasons, we can make a better decisions and also with more confidence. So here we are proposing a 12-month phased approach from pilot to scale. And we at PwC have worked with multiple global clients with this approach, wherein we have picked up high-value use cases in an agile fashion. We have showed them the outcomes with it, and with a continuous improvement process, we have accelerated the delivery. And the outcome of it is the controlled data at source and decide in minutes, and we can see the risk in real time and scaled with confidence. And the overall outcome, when we look at the business value, it is the reduced combined ratio and improvement in the solvency ratio, persistency ratio, and the claim settlement ratio. So, a policy is a promise, and the decisions that we make is going to make that promise kept. So, let's build that core platform together with grounded data, shaped by human judgment, and governed for trust. Thank you, everyone. Sorry? Okay.
Thank you, PwC team. That was very insightful.